Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English text. Today we will revise chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 is Meet My Family, chapter 2 is Asma's House. So children, chapter 1 first we will revise chapter 1 Meet My Family. So children, open your book and take out page number 1. Children, in this story there is a boy named Ravi. So let's start our chapter. Ravi opens the door. He says, "Hello Nisha, come meet my family." So who opens the door? Ravi opens the door and he says, "Hello Nisha, come meet my family." So who came in? Nisha came in, and then Ravi wants Nisha to meet his family. "This is my father reading a book and my mother painting a picture." So father is reading a book and mother is painting a picture. "Grandpa and grandma are playing with my cat Toffee." So grandpa and grandma of Ravi are playing with the small cat, lovely cat. What is the name of the cat? Toffee. Okay. A naughty girl jumps out from behind a curtain. So children, who jumps out from a curtain, from behind a curtain? A naughty girl. Ravi says, "She is Riya, my little sister." So Ravi introduced her as her little sister. Her name is Riya. Okay. Children, our chapter ends here. Now we will revise our book work. So children, open your book and take out page number 3. Question A, circle the correct words to complete these sentences. So in this question, what you have to do? You have to circle the correct word to complete the sentences. Number 1, Ravi opens or pushes the door. What have we revised? That Ravi opens the door. So the correct answer is opens. Second, Ravi's father is reading or writing a book. He is reading. Correct answer is reading. Circle the word reading. Toffee is Ravi's or Nisha's cat. So Toffee is whose cat? Ravi's cat. Circle the answer Ravi's. Riya jumps out from behind a curtain or sofa. Riya jumps out from behind a curtain. Circle the answer curtain. Children, now we move to another question. Now we will revise question B. It is on the same page, page number 3. Tell your teacher the answers. Children, first is done in your notebook. Second, what is Ravi's mother doing? Ravi's mother is dash a picture. Answer is painting. What is the spelling of painting? P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, painting. P will start with small letter. Okay. Next, children, this question also is done in your notebook. Who says, question 4, who says, "Sorry Nisha, dash say this." So, remember, do you remember this? Ravi says this. Okay. Answer is Ravi. Ravi is a name of a person. So we will write it with capital letter R-A-V-I, Ravi. Okay. Now, next question. It is on page number 6. Look at these pictures. Draw lines to match the words with the correct pictures. So children, some words are given to you. You have to match it with correct picture. First, father. Look at option A. Is this father? No. Then no, he is an old man. Then yes, option C is correct. So match 1 with C. Okay. Then mother. Look here. Correct answer is option A, mother. She is wearing a suit with the pata. Then number 3, grandma. She is mother. Then old man, then father, a little girl here. Grandmother is sitting on a chair, so match 3 with E, okay. Then grandpa. This is mother, then yes, an old man with spectacles, so match 4 with B, okay. Now 5, brother. Children, mark 5 with F. Sister, match D with sister, okay. Here is your sister. Now match the words. Now we will do another question. It is on page number 7. Match the words in A with the words in B to make complete sentences. So what you have to do, you have to match the words of A with B to complete the sentence, to make the sentence. Then write the complete sentence in your notebook. One has been done for you. Children, here one has been done for you. Let us see. Nisha. Nisha is a guest in the house. Yes. So opens the door. No. Rings the doorbell. Yes. Nisha rings the doorbell. So match 1 with B. Sentences, Nisha rings the doorbell. Okay. Now number 2, Ravi. Ravi opens the door. So match 2 with A. Okay. Sentences, Ravi opens the door. Children, you will write this in your rough copy. Okay. Mother opens the door. No. Rings the doorbell. No. Jumps out from behind a curtain. No. Mother is painting a picture. So children, match number 3 with D is painting a picture. Sentences, mother is painting a picture. Father, match father with E. Father is reading a book. Okay. Then Riya opens the door. No. This is already has been done. Rings the doorbell. No. Riya is a naughty girl. Riya jumps out from behind a curtain. Okay. Match number 5 with C. Okay. Children, now we will revise copy work. Okay. I hope you all have done your copy work neatly. First we will revise new word. First word is door. D-O-O-R, door. Then number 2, meet. M-E-E-T, meet. Then number 3, opens. O-P-E-N-S, opens. Number 4, curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. Number 5, naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Okay, children? Now make sentences. Family. I love my family. You have to underline the word family here. Okay. Behind. My friend sits behind me in the class. So children, underline the word behind here. Okay. Now we will revise word meaning. First, jump. The meaning of jump is leap or spring. Okay. Then little. Number 2 is little. Meaning of little is small in size. Okay. Now answer the questions. Question 1. Who rings the bell? So who rings the bell? Answer is Nisha rings the bell. Okay. Spelling, Nisha is the name of a person, so we will write it in capital letter N-I-S-H-A, Nisha. Okay. Then where is Toffee? Toffee is the name of a cat. So it is also written in capital letter. Answer is Toffee is with Ravi's grandpa and grandma. So where is Toffee? Toffee is with Ravi's grandma and grandpa. Grandpa, grandpa, and spelling of grandma, grandma, grandma. Okay? Children, now we will revise some hard words of this chapter. Let us see. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Okay? Say twice with me. Okay? R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Okay? Now, C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. Spelling of curtain is C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. Reading curtain, then naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Okay? Spelling of naughty is N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Number 4, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Okay? Number 5, painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, painting. Okay? So children, now we will revise chapter 2, Asma's house. So children, open your book and take out page number 8. Now we will revise Asma's house. Asma's house is very big and beautiful. Let's revise it. Okay? Asma's house is blue. It has a garden and a small gate. So, what is the color of Asma's house? It is blue in color. It has a beautiful garden and a small gate. Asma is 6 years old. So, how old is Asma? Asma is 6 years old. She is playing in the garden. So, what is Asma doing? She is playing in the garden. There is a big gulmohar tree with red flowers in the garden. So, what is there in the garden? A big gulmohar tree. What is the name of the tree? Gulmohar. It has beautiful red flowers. Okay? And owls live in a hole in the tree. So, who lives in a tree? Owl. Owl lives in a hole in the tree. Ali is Asma's little brother. Who is Asma's brother? Ali is Asma's little brother who is playing and giving a nut to the squirrel. So, what is Ali doing? Ali is playing and giving a nut to the squirrel. Okay? Where is the squirrel? Asma says to Ali that it is up there on the branch. So, Ali is asking, where is the squirrel? And Asma is saying that that it is up there on the branch of the tree. Children, I hope you have revised the chapter well. Now, we will see the bookwork of this chapter. Children, now we will revise bookwork of this chapter. So, children, open your book and take out page number 10. Question A, complete these sentences with the correct words. Options are given to you. You have to choose the correct one and complete the sentence. Okay? Number 1, there is a dash tree in Asma's garden. Options are gulmohar or mango. Which tree is there? Gulmohar tree. Okay? Write G-U-L-M-O-H-A-R, gulmohar. The owl, number 2, the owl lives in a dash in the tree. So, where does owl live? Owl lives in a hole. Okay? Write H-O-L-E, hole. Number 3, Asma's brother is playing with a dash. Options are rabbit or squirrel. Ali is playing with a squirrel. Right? Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Number 4, Ali gives a dash to the squirrel. Options are fruit or nut. So, Ali gives nut to the squirrel. Okay, write N-U-T, nut here. Then we will revise question B. Answer these questions. Write the correct words from the box. Children, this question is also on page number 10. Some words are given to you in the strip. First read them. Playing, gate, branch, brother, garden. So what we have to do? We have to choose the correct one and answer the questions. Children, first question is down in your copy. Question number 2, what is Asma doing? She is dash in the garden. So, what was Asma doing? Asma is playing in the garden. Right? Playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Number 3, who is Ali? So, children, who is Ali? Ali is Asma's dash. Ali is Asma's little brother. Okay? Number 4 is done in your copy work. Children, now enjoying the story, look at the words in color. You have to look at these words in the color. It is given in the red color. What do you know about them from the story? Circle the correct words. So children, we have to remember that what we have learned about them in the story and choose the correct option. 3 options are given to you. House. So let us see the options. Number A, green. Number B, blue. Number C, orange. So children, what is the color of the house? What is the color of Asma's house? It is blue in color. So circle number B, B-L-U-E, blue. Now number 2, gate. Options are A, small, B, big, C, tall. So how was the gate? Gate was small. So circle number A, small. Number 3, Asma. Options are A, 5, B, 10, C, 6. So here they are talking about Asma's, how old she is. So Asma is 6 years old. Circle option C, 6. Okay. Now look at these pictures, then complete the word puzzle. Children, options are given to you in a strip. Options are garden, gate, window, door and wall. Number 1, children, what you have to do? You have to look at the pictures and complete the sentence. Complete this word puzzle. Okay. Number 1, please log the dash. So what is there in the picture? A door. So we will write door here. D is already written. Spelling of door is D, which is already written, double O-R, door. Okay. Now number 2, my school has a big dash. So your school has a big gate. Okay. G is already written. Complete the spelling now. G-A-T-E, gate. Number 3, it is raining. Please shut the dash. What is given in the picture? Window. Okay. So write window here. W is given. Spelling of window is W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Number 4, Asma's house has a dash. So Asma's house has a beautiful garden. Okay. So spelling of garden is G-A-R is given, D-E you have to add, N is already written. Spelling of garden is G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Number 5, do not draw on the dash. So we should not draw on the walls. Okay. Answer is wall, W-A-L-L, wall. Okay. Children, next question. Look at this picture. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. You have to look at this picture and complete the sentence with help of these words. Words are cap, shoes, park, ball. Now we will start. Number 1, Asma and Ali are in the dash. So where are they? They are in the park. So correct option is park. Spelling of park is P-A-R-K, park. Number 2, Asma is wearing a yellow. What is she wearing? A yellow cap. Write cap here, C-A-P, cap. Number 3, she has a dash in her hand. What is she holding? She is holding a ball. So write B-A-L-L, ball, in her hand. Ali is wearing green dash. So what is Ali wearing? Ali is wearing a green colored shoes. So write S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Children, let's revise some difficult word of this chapter. First, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Okay. Number 2, beautiful. Children, you have to revise each spelling twicely with me. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch, spelling of branch. Okay. Then number 2, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Number 3, Gulmohar. G-U-L, Gul, M-O-H-A-R, Gulmohar. G-U-L, Gul, M-O-H-A-R, Gulmohar. Okay. Number 4, squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Spelling of squirrel is S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Number 5, G-A-T-E, gate. Spelling of gate is G-A-T-E, gate. Okay. Children, I hope you have understood the revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2 nicely. Thank you.